In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable dark mode in LinkedIn. Whether you are seeking a more comfortable viewing experience during evening hours, aiming to reduce eye strain, or simply looking to save a bit of battery life on your device, activating dark mode is a fantastic option. Let us dive into the steps you will need to follow to activate this feature on your LinkedIn account. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and navigate to LinkedIn's website by typing in linkedin.com. Once there, you will need to log into your account. You can do this by choosing to sign in with your Google or Microsoft account, or simply using your email address and password. If you are not already signed in, or if it is your first time doing so on this particular device, LinkedIn may ask you to go through a two-factor authentication process. This step could involve verifying your account using a code sent to your phone number, which is an additional layer of security to safeguard your account. Once you are logged in, let us head over to the upper right corner of your LinkedIn homepage where you can spot your profile avatar picture. Clicking on this will drop down a menu with several options. You will want to look for and click on Settings and Privacy. This will open up a new window related to your account settings. At this stage, you will notice a list of options on the left-hand side of the screen. Direct your attention to Account Preferences and click on it. In the Account Preferences section, you will see various settings that allow you to customize your LinkedIn experience to your liking. Now, focus on the right-hand pane where you should see a section labeled Display. Go ahead and click on this option to explore the display settings available for your account. Here, within the display settings, you will find an option for dark mode. Selecting this will present you with a few choices: device settings, dark mode, or light mode. If you select device settings, LinkedIn will align its display with your device's overall theme, whether that is dark or light. Alternatively, you can choose dark mode to switch LinkedIn's entire interface to a darker color scheme. Or, if you wish to remain with the default appearance, light mode is your option. When you select an option, the changes will instantly reflect, showing you how they alter the site's appearance. Once you have set your preference, rest assured that your changes will be saved automatically. That is all it takes. You can now enjoy a new look for your LinkedIn profile with no additional hassle. Enabling dark mode can make a significant difference, especially if you are operating in low-light environments or aiming to conserve battery life on your device. It is a quick and easy adjustment that carries potentially big benefits, enhancing your LinkedIn browsing experience by making it a bit more pleasant on the eyes.